Stop doing these viral face yoga moves. They can actually cause more wrinkles. So many random face exercise videos pop up on your phone these days. But here is the problem. Doing the wrong exercise or even doing the right one incorrectly can actually deepen those wrinkles instead of softening them. Think about it. A wrong workout can injure your body. A wrong diet can cause inflammation. A wrong skincare product can damage your skin, and your face is no different. So take this first exercise for an example. Twisting mouth. Now this is a very popular face exercise that should be avoided. Notice when I twist my mouth to one side to stretch the other side, it actually wrinkles up the other side so much more. The idea is not to solve one problem and create a new one. But notice when I do this exercise, how I keep the skin around my mouth smooth. There are no wrinkles forming around my mouth area. I'm not stretching or pulling my muscles in wrong directions. Where on one side you might start to feel the muscle tension release, but on the other side, the wrong version could be creating more wrinkles. Instead, in my version, notice that every movement follows a natural direction of your facial muscle anatomy, which is diagonal. Not So very important to understand, it's not the twist, it is first elongating your muscles and then moving them slightly from left to right. But many $5 face yoga apps and random viral clips teach you to do the opposite. Cheap is not cheerful when it comes to your face. That's exactly why I created my 21-day face yoga mastery program. Now inside this program, I teach you the correct form in the right sequence day by day, which is designed to lift, tone and transform your face safely in just 7 to 10 minutes per day. Now, when you want to work with me one-on-one, the scope is slightly different. I go at a pace that is right for your face. From beginner to advanced level with the only routine that is right for your specific facial aging concerns. Done right, facial workouts can be life-changing. Done wrong, they can be damaging. Trial and error cannot be your strategy. The choice is yours. Don't gamble with your face. Yet another popular face exercise that I see, which is a big mistake. Most people try to train their eyelids by lifting their brows and blinking and overstretching their lids. Wrong move does more harm than good. Now, while doing this, if you notice more lines on your forehead and eyelids appear overstretched, then over time this leads to droopy eyelids and deeper forehead lines and thinning skin around your eyes. You don't want that. But here is the right technique. Place a flat palm on your forehead. Keep everything still. Now slowly look down and up. Just down and up. I'm not trying to overstretch and blink. This movement alone is enough to strengthen your eyelids. It improves control and tones without overstretching. So just look down and up, down and up. That's enough. So just look down and up, down and up. About 20 repetitions at this pace. And remember, just looking down is enough. No exaggerated blinking. This means less strain on those weak eye muscles, more control and stronger lift. I'll show you a few moves with just one hand so you can see the movement clearly, but you can do it with both your hands simultaneously pressing your forehead. So you can exercise both your eyelids at the same time. Want to lift and sculpt your entire face the right way? It's not about will I have time or is it just another trend? I've been doing this for the last 12 years and even if I slip for a week, I can see the difference in how age catches up. Now I can also control and reverse it just like 12,000 odd students of mine have been doing. So you're already taking care of your skin. Just learn to take care the right way. Face yoga isn't starting over. It is starting smarter. And once you start seeing results, it becomes addictive. I want you to save this and train your eyelids the smart way because I want you to come back and share with me how you feel when that droopiness on your upper lid starts to disappear. Depth in your crow's feet also starts to reduce over a period of time. If you've started to see a bag that forms on your inner eye corner, even that can start to reduce. After all, who doesn't want open, lifted, and lit up eyes? Now here comes the other popular exercise, the fish face. This blew up on my Instagram and the reason it went viral is because so many people were doing it and wrong. Here's a lesson. Just because something is popular doesn't mean it is right. If you're over 40, actually even below, stop doing this viral face exercise. Why? As you age, your lip corners are already starting to droop. doing this blindly is only going to exaggerate those lines, and often unevenly. This one is popularly advocated as a cheek exercise to tone and lift your cheeks. But here is my version, the puffer fish face. Puff air into your cheeks, into your nasolabial folds, into your upper lips, and even into your mouth corners evenly, because one wrong exercise shouldn't create a new problem. If you're done guessing what helps or harms, this is where the correct form, correct sequence, and the right pressure of doing any face exercise matters. There shouldn't be any confusion, just awareness, alignment, and relief. Do this for about a minute and slowly increase it to up to 2 minutes and start to notice the lift and the burn in your cheeks. When you feel that fatigue, you know you have achieved your goal safely. So now here's a question for you. Which facial area should I break down in the next Glow Crime series? I like that name, right? Do you? I'm 𝐼𝐺𝐻𝐞 𝐘𝐨𝐿, your face yoga and self-image coach. And I don't just teach random exercises. I teach you how to train your face with intention. Save this video and actually practice it. Because results don't come from watching, they come from repetition. If you're ready to stop guessing and start seeing real changes, you can work with me one-on-one. Just fill out the facial assessment form that is linked in the description below the video. Or start with one of my structured programs. All my programs are linked below based on your concern. And if you're serious about the results, then use the code MASTERY15 to get my 21-day face yoga mastery program to practice it 21 days regularly and watch your face adapt, strengthen, and evolve, because your face doesn't need more trends. It needs the right system. If you're a beginner, you start with clicking that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure you save this video. And don't forget to check out my playlist that is linked up there. I'll also link some of the recommended videos in the description below. They're all my social media handles, which is where you get daily bites and reminders to take care of yourself better. It's been years since I have shown up every week, and so have you. I'll see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.